Hello, Jesus. Let me start with a small story. Few years back, when I was making videos on YouTube, many questions in my comment section are always there. Like, sir, I am first year student. I am confused. How to start? Sir, I am a third year student. How to approach for the offline internship and non-board internship? I was always try to answer each of the comment in my YouTube channel and also try to make videos specific on that problem. But I stuck in one point. The student asking the question in my comment section are from different colleges, different branch, different resources, different background. So why I'm getting the same solution for all of them? I try other platforms like other Google, ChatGPT, but they are also doing the same thing, same generic solution. Then I decided back to Jan 2025 to make a product where student get not generic solution. Good morning, guys. I am Nitin Rai from third year Metallurgical Material Engineering. Intern at I am Kolkata and IIT Indore.
I am Aryan Patil, co-founder and intern at IIM Ahmedabad.
And today we are here to present our startup Atyant.
Right person.
Right answer. Right time. So Atyant is a human plus AI powered answer engine where we are connecting you from someone who already solved the same problem that you are suffering. Coming from the same sort of resources and background. So you will get an experience based answer, not a generic one. So this is how Atyant works. First, sir, our platform is already live. You can search on our Google Chrome. Atyant, we are already on the top of the Google Chrome. You can search, you can ask a question in our platform. Our platform can work on a two mode, instant matching and mentor matching. If the question is already in our database, so you can get the instant answer called answer by the user. If there is a new question in our platform, so we will match with the best mentor according to different profiles with the intent matching system, where the highest threshold the mentor will win, they can match with the user, and the mentor can notify by the mail, and the mail whether mentor can fill all the needed necessary form with the answer candidate, and user get a personalized experience answer card.
So any third or fourth year engineering student who has placement and internship related problems and he faces problem into that, so that is our ideal customer who really want to get into a good sort of placement opportunity. So this is what our ideal customer profile is like. So judges, the last month we have found out that our website has 17,000 plus visits in the last 28 days, and that was purely organic. We had not done any marketing or ads, promotions, anything. We had just done by LinkedIn posts. So we have already validated few engineering colleges as well. We have been to Raisoni, we have been to Baba Ramdev, we have been to Priyadarshini College in VNIT, as well as we have validated our idea in VNIT itself as well as we have been to Manit Bhopal, and we have collaborated with them with their research team as well. So we have some space over there also. And tomorrow is our event in collaboration with research itself. So we are launching Network Arena sort of an event. So coming back to numbers, for TAM we are targeting all the technical higher education students, be it engineering, MBA students and so on, which has almost 75 lakh numbers, and it gives a potential of 1500 crores value with AOV value of 2000. Coming to SAM value, we are targeting engineering students, mainly tier 2 and tier 3 has the problem of mentorship when it comes to specifications, and that gives us 500 crores potential. And in the next 3 to 5 years, we are planning to capture almost 5% of the market, which gives us almost 20 lakh of segment size, gives us 20 crores of value, which is high placement, internship, urgency.
So Atyant work on a basically two-sided business model where B2B and B2C. Our main platform model is B2B, where user can come to our platform, they can ask question. The question is assigned to a best mentor coming from the same sort of background and resources. Then we charge for pay per question. And our B2B model is far away from right now. And here we can collab with the tier 3 colleges where the network between alumni and the digital industries are very low. We can digitalize the whole campus of their tier 3 colleges and give them the industry needed skills to their students so they can compete with the elite colleges.
We are planning to get into B2B. So this is the financial position we are having. By the end of this year, basically we are in freemium model initially, so that's why we are targeting almost 3% of market capture right at the moment. So by capturing 10,000 users by the end of this year, will give us almost 2 to 4 lakh of revenue. Since we are scaling it, we are implementing more features and we are making the platform more reliable, more consistent. So the projection goes almost exponentially. So we are targeting almost 6 crores to 10 crores of revenue by the end of financial year 30, hitting almost 5,000 paying students.
So these are some of our competitors. Like if you have any question, you can just Google, Chrome, ChatGPT. But they are all trained on a time of limited data, and they all give generic answers. Our residents give experience answers. Like other conditional mentorship platform, they are person based. First, you have to go to platform. There is some person. You have to take on the person, then ask question. But in our platform, you have to first ask the question. Then we will match the best mentor in your experience base. Peer communities, they are full of noise. There is no verified achievers. Education platform like PW and like Internship, they all are course based. First, you have to buy the course, then they give the mentorship. The most hot topic is LinkedIn. The LinkedIn, but the bad thing in LinkedIn is there is too low reply rate. First, and also you have to buy subscription for to message for some elite users.
So most platforms of information we solve execution plan.
And please continue.
This is the execution roadmap. So in the first quarter of 2026, we are targeting almost 500 mentors and 2,000 users, and then implementing more features, onboarding, quality control of mentors and the answers, trying to give consistent answers throughout, so that the answer card which we are providing has almost all the features into that, which makes the student gets clarity. What is the skills they need to learn? What is the timeline? What are the skill sets required? What tools, don'ts, and a lot of things are there.
And next thing, we are making the AI avatar of our mentor. That mentor don't need to ask every question that comes to their profile. If there is some sort of data in our platform, they can be trained a personalized avatar like Aryan avatar, Nitin avatar. So if I am not able to give the answer and I have already give the answer to our platform, then our platform can make the answer according to me and give answer. So it can make us power to scale in a large value.
It also reduces the time limit.
And I now request the judges, please start with the Q&A session.
Thank you.
Yeah, I specifically love the idea which you have, and I just have 2-3 questions. You launched the product, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's in market.
We were testing in on the
Like beta testing.
testing only now.
You have made it only for students.
Only specific to engineering students from third year to 11th semester.
Okay. Then how you are targeting mentors?
Now currently we are approaching alumni of the college because we are not offering any money. So the connection, the willingness they are come to help the junior, they are currently coming on our platform. Soon we are monetizing it according to we give the answer card. If the user asks the answer card, then they will book a video call, ID call like other platforms. So they will
Okay. And for work questions, student have to pay.
no, but you don't have to pay. If you like the answer which mentor provided, then you can book a call. We only charge for call, video call, ID call, and we also have a feature for nearby mentor. Here, user can write their problem and button near mentor. So the problem solver already near in the location,
Yeah.
they can directly.
It's in the premium phase.
AI implemented.
Yes, ma'am. AI mentor, no, human mentor.
Okay. You have mentioned about data, right? LinkedIn and Basketball is because बहुत सारा data रहता है. We provide the perfect answers and perfect data, perfect answer to respective questions. So experience based. तो mentor answer कर रहा है. What about delays? For example, I am asking the question. मुझे अभी urgently campus में, for example, कोई company आ रही है TCS, I am not an NIT student. मुझे बैठना चाहिए कि नहीं बैठना चाहिए? मैं दूसरे company में कोई place. अगर ये मैं question पूछ रही हूँ and mentor is not available at that time, then what about?
now आपको टाइम लग है थोड़ा कि अगर पहले से अगर वो क्वेश्चन हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म में है देन वो इंस्टेंट आंसर आएगा प्रोफाइल के अकॉर्डिंग आपका एक्सपीरियंस जो बैकएंड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग प्रोफाइल आएगा थ्रेशोल्ड 85 का है अगर उससे परसेंट उसके ऊपर आपकी प्रोफाइल रही देन वो आपको इंस्टेंट आंसर आएगा इफ नॉट देन मेंटर के पास नोटिफिकेशन जाएगा देन 24 आवर का हमने टाइम लिमिट सेट करा है अगर 24 आवर में मेंटर आंसर नहीं देता है देन उसकी प्रोफाइल को हम लोअर कर देते हैं एंड दूसरे मेंटर को वो क्वेश्चन
Why do you think कि ChatGPT Gemini and LinkedIn पे सही आंसर नहीं करता है?
ना वो आंसर देते हैं लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड जो आंसर जो मुझे आपसे मिलेगा जो मैम से मिलेगा जो सेम बैकग्राउंड से आया जो सेम रिसोर्स लाइक इफ आर्यन इज कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरी रिच बैकग्राउंड एंड ही इज डूइंग स्टार्टअप आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम पुअर बैकग्राउंड एंड आई एम डूइंग स्टार्टअप सो देयर आर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ डिफरेंस बिटवीन मी एंड आर्यन
Do you think such platforms are more mature because their data policies? For example, take an example of Gemini and ChatGPT. कोई questions डालो, वो data कहाँ से लेते हैं? इतने सारे लोग use कर रहे हैं तो उन्हीं का data ऐसे लैब करके data engine से they are giving it. So So you have to make the correction. The perfect answer to वो engines भी देते because they have huge amount of data, right? हमें वो perfection level achieve करना है and I congratulate you, you have launched your product. But time delay and the perfection and the data, if possible, you can have APIs and all integrated of Gemini and all as well to provide the realistic perfect answers.
So we are already integrated the API. Mentor only light the few points. In other fact, mentor don't need to say, I am this and you are this. No, mentor don't need this. Mentor just like the keyword, our AI model, we have just trained the Gemini API, API 1.5. So he make the proper answer with the existing data and with the mentor data. So
Very
it is
specific.
Why only engineering students? Why not other streams? Because nowadays
Yes.
it's civil engineers and even mechanical engineers all wants to go in IT. Matlab, that's a generic scenario. What about MBA students?
now currently we have to work on our platform.
It will be with
Yes, ma'am, yes,
just
ma'am. Everything I have to do.
students.
Students like we also going for the higher studies, not in like
Two suggestions for you guys. I personally love your startup and I would love to promote and connect you guys as well to meet me after the meeting. But two suggestions for you if you want to tap 11, 12 and 12 student में जो students होते हैं उनके parents से they need such kind of experience जो ChatGPT और Gemini नहीं देता। ठीक है, प्लस जो overseas के लिए जा रहे हैं ना उसमें भी ये चीजें fail होती है because that time mentorship needed क्योंकि वो बंदा वहाँ रहा होगा UK, US and all. So these two tie-ups, मतलब these two category of students अगर तुम tie-up करते हो तो it will go मतलब yes. So please do
Yes.
best way.